Hey guys, James here, and today I have the Dumbledore's Army Wand collection by the good old Noble Collection themselves. This comes with 6 wands: Harry, Hermione, Ron, Ginny, Neville, and Luna's, which Luna's is actually exclusive, and it comes with also a little nice display thing there. Quick look at the box. Top quick. Really like the design for the box. That looks really cool. Especially since mostly Noble Collection stuff doesn't come with boxes like this. They're just either shipped in their display case and some styrofoam. Yeah, I bought this at Barnes & Noble. Did not actually get that for that price. I got it for like 30% off or something. 20% off, and then the member thing, an extra 10%. I'm not sure how that was calculated. But yeah, I got this at Barnes & Noble with a coupon for March, which basically got me 20% off. And I thought, might as well get it. I'm thinking about it for a few days whether I wanted to keep it or not. And I'm just like, you know what? I've had this for a while, might as well keep it. So, without further ado, let's get this thing out of its packaging. This is how you would expect Noble Collection just to ship it out. Styrofoam. If you get from Barnes & Noble, they tend to give it extra little layer of protection for the box. Instead of just leaving it this. There we go, just throw the box there. Voila! Alright, please note, wands on this side turn over for wall plaque. I'm gonna get this all set up, and we're actually gonna open this thing. Alright. Holy crud, there's styrofoam literally everywhere. Alright. I didn't realize the camera shifted. There's the plaque. Actually looks very good. I thought it wouldn't look as good. And there's the back. I'll have to remove those. Shouldn't be too hard to remove those screw things. Or the little like holders, I guess. Don't screw on. Shouldn't be too bad. Look at Harry's wand first. So here it is. Quick little overview. It's actually my first Harry Potter wand. Very nice. I think it's a little too brown at the handle at least. But to get my full opinions in the actual wand or the actual case review, let me know in the comments if you want me to do individual reviews of these wands. Thing about getting the Ollivander's wand box versions of Hermione's and Harry's though, I already have Ron's in the wand box. Speaking of which, here's Ron's. Hopefully I'll shoot up an iCard. It's nice to see a new one of these once in a while. see a new wand. Yeah, it's of the same wand that you already have. Just nice to see a new one because a lot of the time the paint gets super sprayed and whatnot. Oh my gosh, look at that. That thing's a little tilted. Alright. Ginny's. No idea why I'm putting them back in bags, but I am. We have Neville's. Neville's is really short. You guys realized it's like really, really short. Really short. A lot of these look slightly bent. That really sucks. That really does suck. I hope this one's not bent. This is the exclusive one, and I can't get this again. Look at this. Really love this wand. It looks really cool. But yeah, I think I'm going to do a separate review of this wand, as well as part of the big old display thing. But, yeah, let's bring this over. That is the Dumbledore's Army display thing. I'll hopefully be able to get a review on that very soon. But yeah, hope you guys all enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, please leave a like, rating on the video. Also, don't forget to comment anything really about this, which wands you want to see me go through in order first, I guess, or any Noble Collection requests. I probably won't be getting a lot of Noble Collection stuff for a while, as this was not exactly the cheapest thing on my list to get. But I saw the 20% off thing, so I'm like, you know what, I'm not going to get it for cheaper. Might as well get it now. But yeah, don't forget to subscribe and press the notification bell so we get notified when I upload the review of this, actually, and other Noble Collection reviews of the like. Do hope you did all enjoy, guys, and until the next time, goodbye!